In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot seamlessly. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize its powerful CRM features, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and precision. Let's start by opening HubSpot. Ensure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary tools and features. Once you're in, locate and click on the CRM tab. This is where the magic begins. Next, let's focus on the Companies section. Click on it to open up a list of all the companies you're currently tracking within your HubSpot CRM. This is where you have the opportunity to personalize your view. You can edit any of the columns you see. Customizing these columns to fit your specific needs will make it easier to access the information you find most valuable. Simply drag and move any column to the top of the list, then click Apply to save these changes. This customization helps you streamline your workflow and focus on what matters most for your business. Now, let's dive a little deeper. When you click on a specific company, you'll be greeted with a wealth of information. This page provides a comprehensive overview of all activities that have been noted, including emails, calls, tasks, and meetings. This feature ensures you have all the crucial details at your fingertips, allowing you to manage your interactions effectively. To the right of your screen, you'll notice a section dedicated to contacts. Here, you'll find an organized list of individuals associated with the selected company. This feature is handy for a quick glance at who you're dealing with and planning further interactions. On the other hand, over to the left of your screen, there's a very useful tool, the Note toolbar. By clicking on it, you can jot down important notes right then and there. This feature allows you to capture thoughts, ideas, or reminders instantly, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Plus, any note you take will be saved directly in your CRM, making it accessible to everyone on your team. This level of visibility promotes collaboration and keeps your entire team informed and aligned. By following these steps, you'll tap into the full potential of HubSpot's CRM features. Remember, personalizing your view and keeping detailed notes not only enhances your company's organization, but also ensures that everyone on your team is staying on the same page. With this powerful setup, you're now equipped to manage your company data efficiently, ultimately driving your business success. Thanks for tuning in, and let's make HubSpot work wonders for you and your team.